Yeah, well, the juniors lost way more tennis balls than expected last year. Electricity's not cheap. It's not like it falls from the sky. This is going to be the biggest championship I've seen in years. I've even made some advertisement. No, I'll pay on time, no defaults. I promise. All right, cheers, mate. Oh, g'day, ladies. Sorry about that. You know what debt collectors are like.
I've got a trial session.
Oh, you must be Selma. No, and I see you brought your friends along. We also do mates rates.
It's just for me.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Mariam, and this is Zoya.
Wow, Zoya.
We don't bow to humans.
No, of course not. Namaste.
No, we don't do that either.
No.
And your name is?
I'm Broderick Brown. Feel free to call me Brod. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Brad.
No, Brod, with an O.
Brad?
Brod? Think of sounding it out. Brod.
Brian.
No, definitely an O. Close. Brod.
Brat.
Brod.
Shall we play tennis, Brad?
Yeah. So what are your goals?
The Australian Open.
All right. We can do that.
I was wondering if Noor has already spoken to Sheikh Mohammed about the divorce.
Faisal's calling Selma again. Can't he see his mum's a professional athlete now?
The Australian Open's your goal. We're going to need a game plan. You'll come in every day, 6 hours minimum. Hailing, storming, no excuses. We'll first start by winning the North Sunshine Amateur Women's Tennis Championship. That'll get you one step closer to the AO. You ready to commit?
Ready.
I'm quite busy. You'll need a deposit.
I'll pay everything up front.
Salma, where have you been all day? Faisal been calling you. Even you did not make breakfast today?
You tell your son I'm busy. And God gave you hands too. You make your own breakfast.
Huh?
احرص على ما ينفعك. Work hard towards what you believe is beneficial for you. Then leave it to Allah. If I would like a job, I need to strike a balance between two things. One is just to go out and look for a job and remove Allah from the equation without saying Bismillah, make it easy for me, let me get a job in a good place, help me to go to the right people, help me with the right environment and so on. Then you go out. You actually are going to be guided by Allah. The one extreme where people just go out and there is no Allah in the equation, they didn't do anything. In that case, there will be no barakah in the job, there will be no barakah in the surroundings, there will be no barakah in what you may earn, because where is Allah, the owner of sustenance, in your equation?
Sheikh Mohammed, so you mean to say that women don't have to cook?
No, not at all. It's a husband's duty to provide. This means he has to put cooking on.
Brothers, take note. We'll be back
I'm so
in
sorry, Noor. I had such a long day. I had an urgent meeting at the mosque. I had to do a radio interview.
I know. I'm listening to it now.
I've got dinner ready. Let's just sit down and talk. Please. Come with me. Let's have dinner. Please. For you, my love. Have a seat.
I have something to tell you.
Of course. Let's sit and eat and chat.
I'm filing for divorce.
Come on, Selma. Focus. Think about the Open. It's all about technique.
Congratulations, Zoe Smith. You've been selected for an interview.
Wait, Zoe Smith?